This is life as a freelance marketer. Now, the freelance marketer has the ultimate lifestyle design capabilities. Instead of working 9 to 5, I work 5 to 9. I get up early every single day to try and complete my day's most important work before my kids are even awake. Now, I hate commuting, but when you're up before the world, everything is different. It's quiet. I go to Starbucks to work every day because it's the only place open early enough for me. But when I go, no one else is there. It's like my own co-working space for $2 an hour with free coffee refills. And then it's 2 to 3 hours of focused work, typically starting with Facebook ads and yesterday's daily report. I always want to keep tabs on how are we doing as a business and how are our clients doing with theirs. Now, the great thing about the 5 to 9 schedule is that it allows you to work more if time and energy permits. In the summer, I always work outside. I don't care about glare. I just want to feel the air and sun. Here's a clip of me working. These days, I'm creating videos, using AI voiceovers, running ads, and designing high-converting landing pages. When I'm not working, you might find me in the yard, in the garden.
And you just want to go task, and doing them one after another in the most efficient way possible.
Once the afternoon rolls around, anything goes. That's the beauty of becoming a freelance marketer, is that you can be available to your family, your children, and life's most important things. You can visit the ocean, you can be in nature, you can explore, you can play, you can go to events, you can be part of your community. And when it calls, working on special projects. Another day as a freelance marketer. Pretty f***ing epic, guys. 120-foot yacht at sunset. Appetizers. Drinks. I've had a lot of jobs in my life, and I've never ever been able to access things like this. But becoming a freelance marketer really changed everything for me. It's the unlock for all the great things in life. Just been surrounded by multiple mechanics, technicians, blue-collar workers. And I know we just made it, we got it. We're on the right track. Future-proof, right? Happy, pretty free. So, we were out there. Anyways, that's another day in the books.
Watch this next video to see how I discovered the best job ever.